LG washing machine, how to clean the drain filter. Open the cover first. Now pull out the tube, not too far because you can block it. Hold it high and remove the cap carefully. Collect the water. Insert the cap again. Turn the drain filter open and pull it out. A little water may flow out. Inspect and clean the filter. Now inspect and clean the housing and look for any foreign objects that may block the pumps. Insert the filter again and close it. Position the hose back and check if the cap is still on. Close the cover. You're done.
Dragon Electronics, a lifetime experience.
60 ans, toujours à votre service.